Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the connection possible. Confirm the exact Wi-Fi name and password so you don't pause mid-setup. Once the TV is powered and the remote is paired, open Settings, then Network, and select Network Settings. This forces the TV to scan for wireless options. If you have an Ethernet cable plugged in, unplug it now so the TV shows Wi-Fi choices. You do this to ensure the TV prioritizes wireless adapters rather than a wired connection. Now select your Wi-Fi SSID from the list and make sure it's the correct network. Many routers append numbers or guest tags. Use the on-screen keyboard to type the password exactly. Passwords are case-sensitive and special characters matter, so take your time. After you select Connect, the TV will authenticate and request an IP address from the router. This can take a few seconds. You'll see connection progress and a confirmation once the DHCP lease is assigned. Finish by checking Settings Network to confirm the TV shows an IP, signal strength, and internet access. This proves both link and routing are working. If the TV connects to the router but has no internet, restart the TV and router and then test again. You can also set a manual DNS like 8 to rule out DNS issues. If problems persist, reduce Wi-Fi channel congestion or reset network settings as a last resort and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.